Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin to a laptop. First, gather your Garmin device and its specific USB data cable, ensuring it is the correct one for your model. Check that your laptop has an open USB port and a stable internet connection for necessary downloads. Make sure your Garmin device has at least 50% battery life, which prevents unexpected disconnections during data transfer. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful connection process. The next crucial step is to install Garmin Express, the official software for managing your device. Open your web browser and go directly to the Garmin website to find the Express download page. Select the version compatible with your laptop, whether it is Windows or Mac OS, and begin the download. Once the file finishes downloading, simply launch the installer and follow each on-screen instruction carefully. Accepting the terms will complete the setup, preparing your system for device connection. Now, let us physically connect your Garmin device to your laptop. Take the smaller end of your USB cable and gently insert it into the charging or data port on your Garmin. Then, firmly plug the larger USB end into any open USB port on your laptop. Your Garmin device will typically show a message, such as Data Transfer Mode or Connected to Computer, confirming the link. Garmin Express should then automatically recognize your device, ready for the next steps. With your Garmin connected and detected, it is time to synchronize your data. If this is your first time connecting this specific device, Garmin Express will guide you through a quick registration process. Once registered, navigate to your device's dashboard within the Express application. Look for the Sync or Check for Updates button and click it to initiate the data transfer. The software will efficiently upload your activities and download any necessary map or software updates, keeping your device current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.